Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can export the video with 4K quality on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to open my draft on my InShot application. Here I have created a draft. This is my draft and I'm going to open it. And if we want to export this video with 4K quality, we just need to click on save. And here you have to select the resolution, and this is the 4K quality. If you want to export with this 4K quality, we just need to click on it, and you just need to click on save to export your video to your device, and you have to wait until the process complete. Okay, and after the process has completed, you just need to track it in your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can export a video with 4K quality on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.